Unleash the beat with the BUGANI Luster Bluetooth speaker, where sound meets adventure. Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the BUGANI Luster Bluetooth speaker. A portable wireless speaker that's perfect for music lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Meet the BUGANI Luster Bluetooth speaker, a compact and powerful speaker that delivers loud stereo sound and colorful lights. With its unique design and advanced features, this speaker is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and portable sound solution. One of the standout features of this speaker is its 24W loud stereo sound, which is delivered through two 2-inch drivers and two passive radiators. Plus, with dual pairing function, you can enjoy surround 360 degrees true wireless stereo sound. This speaker is also IPX6 waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor activities such as camping, beach outings, and hiking. And with its compact size and lightweight design, you can take it with you wherever you go. The BUGANI Luster Bluetooth speaker also features colorful lights that can be customized to match your mood and atmosphere. With 7 light colors and 5 light modes, you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Other features of this speaker include Bluetooth 5.3 technology, hands-free calls, and up to 24 hours of playback time. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves music and outdoor activities. So if you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed portable speaker, the BUGANI Luster ** Luster Bluetooth speaker is an excellent choice. With its impressive sound quality, durable design, and affordable price, it's sure to be a hit with anyone who loves music and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching Today's Best Deals. Forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. And if you're interested in purchasing the BUGANI Luster Bluetooth speaker, be sure to check out the link in our description below.